Today's topic is Unit 3, Defining Problem, which is the last topic of Unit 3. Now, initially we had discussed that the problem statement is nothing but the aim of your project, or for which any issue for which you are trying to find a solution to. So that is called your problem statement. Problem statement means the problem which you are trying to fix. So that becomes the aim of your project. So aim has to be minimum 1 line to maximum 2 lines without any full stop. We had also discussed that to achieve the aim, we need to identify the objectives. Those objectives are smaller milestones to be achieved to achieve your final goal. Your final goal is your aim or your problem statement. So example, we will take this mini project, okay, which my students had done, and today to enhance vehicle and property security by providing an online platform and to minimize the visibility of multiple sticker tags on vehicles owned by individual working or living in various places. So you can re-listen this audio to check what the problem statement is. These students have identified this in their presentation. Of course, as I had said earlier that the problem statement has to be minimum 1 line or 2 line. They have done that. But if you observe this problem statement, if a person tries to see for the first time the audience, it becomes very lengthy and difficult to connect. So if you lose the connect of the audience, they are not interested later in your diagrams, in your proposed work, anything. So what we did it in class here, that on ChatGPT we put that statement and we said that okay, we want this short, we want this problem statement in short. Okay, again it gave us, say 1.5 line. So that was pretty enough. Then we said that the same problem statement we want it in 10 words. So finally the problem statement was boost security online, minimize visible stickers on vehicles for individuals. So it becomes now more easy to connect. Now since this instruction was given to the ChatGPT, it did it exactly what we prompted it. Now if you see this problem statement, we are IT students. So there is no technicality in it. It looks like it's a newspaper title. So what we have to incorporate it is that what technology we are going to use. That technology we are going to put this in problem statement. So this problem statement we are going to redefine. Okay, so this is a very, very important procedure of defining a problem statement, because this is the first thing the audience is going to listen. Now again we discussed here in class that we have to now see, we are giving whatever instructions ChatGPT is giving us, but to have a good user experience, this problem statement has to connect to the audience. So you have to make it more realistic so that the audience thinks that it is his or her problem and tries to listen to you for getting the solution of it. You are trying to understand. So first is that make it as short and precise. Why? Because bigger sentences, people don't, the moment you go on the second line, you forget the first line content. And while listening, people can't listen or read big lines. So the more the precise the problem statement is, the more user can understand.